Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a device with Android 13 and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, we have to find and open our contact list, find the contact we'd like to edit and tap on it. Here we have to pick this edit icon, the pencil icon, and tap on the camera icon right in the middle. Here we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you are able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery. And I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. Here your device will open the folders, the albums with the photos, so just find the photo you'd like to use and tap on got it. And as you can see from this step, you can adjust the size of the square, the position of the photo, and you can zoom it in or out. And thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted area is responsible for it. Here you can also rotate the picture, it's up to you. And if you are happy with your choice and with the results, just tap on done. As you can see, it will be immediately applied to this section, so remember to tap on save. It's quite important. And here we've got our contact saved with the photo applied. It will be also visible on the contact list and, for example, whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Android 13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.